y'all, Facebook, Mayor, everybody. I'm gonna show y'all how you get this gun shit right. As y'all can see, fresh target, nothing on there, still being recorded.
You lit them joints up too, though.
Glock 43. 23. I don't know what the fuck I got 43 from.
Let's see this shit quick again.
You ready? Get me, Ray. 6 rounds.
Ooh. Oh shit, somebody done got lit up.
Let's see where they go.
Alright. We about to see what's the results of this.
Not bad.
Mm.
Not bad. Mayor, you need to come out this thing and you fuck with me. Let's go.
All body.
I'm going to teach y'all how to do this shit because I'm a professional.
Professional. You could tell because he got the air joints in the
That's 15 yards away, by the way.
Yeah, man. Professionals.
Cut it.